is Layla and I'm from Lulu's Bakery.
Hi, my name is Siraj. I'm from SKIPYDOO. We are collaborating to do a new cooking challenge.
The cooking challenge is pancake drawing. We're going to do our pancakes based on one design. You can choose any other design you want.
It's gonna be awesome! You will need regular flour, white sugar, melted butter, salt, and baking soda, and 1 egg. A few measuring cups. 1 cup, half cup, 1/4 cup, and a tablespoon.
You're also going to need a whisk, a mixing bowl, a pancake flipper, and a pancake pan or any other pan.
Now we're going to make the pancake batter. 1.5 cup flour.
Half a cup. One cup.
1 tablespoon sugar. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 tablespoon salt.
Teaspoon.
1.25 cup milk. 1 egg. 3 tablespoons butter melted. Mix it all together. We're going to use food coloring.
Now we have 5 bowls because we're going to use 5 colors to mix in all the colors for the batter we're going to use.
Now we're going to mix the food coloring into the pancake batter.
We have our colors ready, so now we're going to be putting them into our bottles. But if you don't have bottles like these, you could get water bottles and poke a hole in them.
Alyssa, that's enough.
So now we're turning on the pan and we're gonna add some butter. And now we'll wait for it to melt. Our pans are all melted. So we're going to be trying to copy the images with the pancake batter.
This is the first image. A happy face. This is hard.
What the heck? It's very bad. Draw the eyes.
Where's the
This is
black?
so scary.
Where's the black?
This is so scary. Oh! Hey, wait. Oh my god, no. Mine looks like scrambled eggs. I can fix it, I think, just like that. Now it looks much more like a sacrifice, but it's still.
It's cooked! Look,
those two.
Where's my plate?
Our pancakes didn't turn out the way we wanted them to turn out, but we had a lot of fun. One cool trick you can do is you can use an empty water bottle and put sugar in it and poke some holes with a pen or a fork so it can be like a sugar shaker or a salt shaker, so you can sprinkle it on your pancake when you finish.
We challenge you guys to do the same challenge, but do it better than us. Please share it with us and tag us. We hope you guys make a better pancake than we do. One piece of advice, guys: make extra batter. Please have parental supervision.